Hello everyone and welcome to Manage Money, unlock financial success with Manage Money. Subscribe now and press the bell icon for expert tips and tricks to master your money game. This approach generated a revenue of $7,000 within a 2-week span and amassed over $14,000 in just a month through Instagram. Notably, followers are not a prerequisite for this method and it is effective in the United States, Canada, India, the Philippines, and various other regions globally. Today, I will introduce you to an entirely novel technique for earning money online on Instagram capable of yielding a monthly income ranging from $7,000 to $14,000. This method ensures pure passive income and I will present concrete evidence towards the end of this video, so stay tuned. Let's get started with step 1. Head over to Instagram and you can perform this on your computer, laptop, or mobile device. Create a brand new account for this purpose by clicking on Sign Up. The registration process is straightforward and can be completed independently. After logging into your new Instagram account, a crucial step is to hover your mouse over the profile icon and click on Settings. Scroll down, choose Switch to Professional Account from the left-hand side, opt for Business on the next page, and click the Next button. When prompted to select a category, choose the Product or Service option and click Done. On the final page, opt for Don't Use My Contact Info and you'll return to your account profile page. For step 2, utilize the search bar to look for smartwatches or digital watches. As you can observe, there is an abundance of posts from various pages and accounts. I'd like you to navigate to that account section and from there, open any of these accounts. For instance, let's choose this smartwatch account. Despite having an impressive followers, it's crucial to note that followers are not essential for the method I'm about to share for making money on Instagram. Now, click on the Reels section of this account. On average, their Reels consistently garner over 15,000 views, with some even surpassing 100,000 views over time. Remarkably, certain Reels have exceeded 500,000 views or come close to it. This presents a lucrative opportunity for you to earn $14,000 per month because pages like this one and numerous others are not yet leveraging the new method for making money on Instagram, which I'll reveal shortly. If you take a moment to read their bio, you'll discover that they are currently monetizing their Instagram audience by promoting their local shop in a specific country. Indeed, considering that Instagram is used by people from various countries worldwide, this particular page is potentially missing out on a substantial income opportunity. Notably, they have opted to share their WhatsApp link in their bio instead of a website link. Traditionally, people tend to trust website links more than social media links. However, I have an exciting proposition for you. Imagine there's a website like dhgate.com that serves as an unlimited stock of items such as smartwatches accessible for people worldwide to order. The beauty of this opportunity lies in the fact that by simply sharing the link from the site once with pages like the one we just explored, you can earn money. It's truly remarkable. So, for the third step, I invite you to visit the website called dhgate.com. You can find the link to this site in the description and pinned comment below this video. Gate is recognized as the world's leading online wholesale platform for goods manufactured in China. It connects international buyers with Chinese wholesale sellers who provide products of the same quality found elsewhere but at a comparatively lower price. What's more, Gate is not limited to wholesalers. Even regular individuals like you and me can make purchases on the site. Importantly, this is not a dropshipping or drop servicing model. It represents an entirely new method for making money with Instagram, which I will guide you through in the upcoming steps. Gate boasts a secure payment system and has earned trust from reputable sites such as MaxBounty, ShareASale, and many other well-known companies. The platform is available worldwide and you can conveniently select your country from the top right corner. As evident, this site is accessible from any country around the world. Now, to start making money by sharing links from the site with Instagram pages, you need to navigate to the bottom and click on Affiliate Program under the Partnership section. Unlike companies like Amazon that offer a maximum commission of 20% per sale, this site will reward you with an impressive commission of up to 51% per order. The exciting part is that you receive a $5 bonus for free upon bringing in the first order, and if you reach 20 orders, that bonus increases to $50. Remarkably, you can earn up to $1,000 just in bonuses if you bring in 300 or more orders. Additionally, you can participate in regular incentive plans for affiliates to earn some extra money. Now for the fourth step, go ahead and register yourself. Click on the first link in the description, which will take you to the registration page. Enter your email, create a password, check the box, and click on Create My Account. On the next page, click Enter Workplace, and after reading the 3 points on the subsequent page, check the box and click the Activate Free button. If a box pops up, simply close it and you'll find yourself on your affiliate dashboard. This dashboard is where you can create links and start earning money. Here, you have access to more than 200,000 products to promote. Certainly, you have the option to choose from various categories of products on your affiliate dashboard, such as featured products, sample products, and free shipping products. For this video, let's focus on smartwatches. Simply type smartwatches in the keyword box and click search. This will display a plethora of smartwatches with impressive designs and features. To explore a specific item, click on it, and you'll be directed to the product page where you can find detailed information, including the price and other specifications. If you decide to promote a particular product, return to your affiliate dashboard, click Get Link under the desired item, and on the next page, leave everything as is and click Generate. Your affiliate link will then be generated, and you can copy it by clicking the Copy Link button, saving it to your clipboard. Moving on to step 5, there are 2 innovative methods to promote your affiliate link and potentially earn $14,000 per month using Instagram. The first method is the simpler one, while the second method has the potential to yield higher earnings. Starting with the first method, return to Instagram and open the page related to smartwatches. You can either send them a direct message or contact them through their phone number, WhatsApp number, or email ID. The WhatsApp number is a preferred choice for direct communication. In this particular instance, the goal is to establish trust, but you have the flexibility to select the approach that suits you best. Now, your task is to persuade the owner of a page to endorse products from dhgate.com. You might compose a message like this. Hello, I came across your Instagram page and truly admire the diverse range of watch categories you feature, catering perfectly to your audience. I noticed, however, that your current sales are limited to a specific geographical area, potentially missing out on numerous clients and revenue opportunities. You can withdraw earnings directly to your bank account or through various methods on dhgate.com. Create an affiliate account, go to your affiliate account, search for smartwatches, and generate a unique link for the product you want to sell. Share this link with customers to start earning commissions. To register, use this link and insert your invitation link from dhgate.com, which you can copy from your account options. Click the invitation link button, copy it to your clipboard, and paste it next to the provided line. For instance, if they sell 1,000 watches monthly, earning $2,000 in affiliate commissions, you'll receive a 30% referral commission, making $600. Simply share the link and they handle client acquisition and watch sales through the affiliate link, allowing you to earn referral commission effortlessly. You just need 24 more pages like this to register on dhgate.com with your invitation link, and after that you can start to make $14,000 per month in pure passive income. So, start doing hustle today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. See you next time.